Elevate your cooking experience with the Utopia Kitchen Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Skillet 3-piece set, a bundle of culinary perfection that brings elegance, versatility, and healthy cooking to your kitchen. In this review, we'll explore why this cast iron skillet set is not just cookware, but a game-changer for enthusiasts seeking an exceptional cooking journey. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Ultimate Cast Iron Pan Set. The Utopia Kitchen Cast Iron Skillet Set is a bundle of 3 featuring 10, 8, and 6 inches pre-seasoned frying pans. Ideal for both domestic and outdoor use, these skillets come with unique handles for easy maneuvering and pouring. The even heat distribution, versatile usage, and ease of care make this set a must-have for any cooking enthusiast. Even heat distribution for culinary precision. The smooth finish on these cast iron pans allows for the even distribution of heat across the surface, leading to improved frying and cooking results. The pans are stovetop and oven-friendly, catering to various heat sources, including induction cooktops. The excellent thermal conduction ensures your food is cooked with optimal taste and flavors. Versatile cookware for every dish. With wide diameters that provide ample cooking space, these pre-seasoned cast iron skillets are versatile cookware that caters to all your culinary needs. From steaks to paninis, vegetables to your favorite dishes, these skillets can handle it all. Suitable for use on gas, electric, induction, ceramic glass top stoves, and ovens, these skillets offer a wide range of cooking possibilities. Healthy cooking at its finest. One of the standout features of the Utopia Kitchen Cast Iron Pan is its health benefits. Unlike regular non-stick pans that may contain harmful chemicals, this cast iron pan set is free from FOA and PFCs. Experience healthy cooking without compromising on taste or style. Bring perfection to your culinary creations. The glossy pre-seasoned surface of these pans not only provides an elegant look, but also allows you to cook with perfection. The cast iron's natural non-stick properties require only a minimal amount of oil, making your meals healthier without sacrificing flavor. Reseasoning is a breeze, ensuring the longevity of your cast iron pan. Why you need it. The Utopia Kitchen Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Skillet Set is more than cookware. It's an investment in culinary excellence. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover why this set is a must-have for anyone passionate about cooking. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.